The Blink XT security system. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Blink XT security system, which is designed for outdoor use. You can pick this up online for $129. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. This is the Blink Sync module and Blink XT camera. The Blink Sync module is what communicates with the camera and your Wi-Fi network. It comes with a user guide, the power cable, and the power adapter. This is the Weatherproof XT camera. Inside the box, you also get the user guide, a security sticker, and mounting hardware. The Sync module is what communicates with your wireless home network and the cameras. It can support up to 10 Blink cameras. It has a power LED and Wi-Fi LED on the top. On the bottom is the input for the power. On the back, you'll find the serial number and some default credentials that will be used for activation. The Sync module is fairly small. The box is less than 2.5 inches in length and also less than 2.5 inches in width. And the thickness is about less than an inch. The Blink XT is a weatherproof camera which has a black finish. They have an indoor camera that has a white finish. The XT can be used indoor or outdoor. You have the camera on the front, the sensors, and the LED indicators. This uses PIR, passive infrared, so this will not work through windows or glass. On the back, you can pull down this rubber piece and it will open the panel, exposing the battery compartment. You will have the serial number also that is needed for activation. I have it hidden behind this piece of paper. This takes 2 AA lithium batteries, which are included. It can last up to 2 years, but that also depends on usage. You will also see a switch that you can toggle on and off. This is to enable the record LED or to disable it while it's recording. The back panel has a rubber weather seal. This device can operate in -4 Fahrenheit and up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes in at less than 3 inches in length and width, and about 1 inch thick. Installing the mount is fairly easy. It just snaps right on the back, and you can use the supplied screw to mount it on the wall. Once it's mounted, you can adjust it accordingly. Setup is quick. You will need to download the Blink Home Monitor app and create an account. Once your account is created, log in and add the Sync module device. It will prompt you to name the module and enter the serial number located on the back. Once that's completed, it will walk you through the Wi-Fi settings. After the module has been added, you can then add the XT camera. The process is similar. Click Add Device on the dashboard and then choose Blink XT. You will see a video on the bottom instructing you on what to do. You will then have to enter the serial number located on the back of the camera. After it's been added, you can toggle the different camera settings from name, sensitivity, recording, audio, quality, and many more. On the main dashboard, you will see a list of cameras that you have in your system. You can go into Live View, enable the cameras, and view your clip folder for recordings. The clip roll can hold up to 7,200 seconds of events or 1,440 5-second clips. You can download the clips or send them via message. Here is a sample video of the camera mounted at the front entryway. You can see this person approaching the camera and it records instantly. The quality is very good. Once the clip is finished recording, it will then send your phone a notification that it has recorded an event. The Blink XT security system. This is a good camera system that is weatherproof and can support up to 10 devices per module. It records in 1080p quality and has a long battery life. It's very easy to set up. It captures videos during the day and even at night with the infrared night vision. This system is also compatible with Amazon Alexa. If you're in the market for security cameras, check out the Blink XT system. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.